come join me and my best friend Esteban in a current odd adventure. To be honest, our day's already started, but like I've been just so like fixated on just trying to do stuff, I haven't really been recording. So long story short, I'm picking up something for my grandma. It's a couch. I'm at my aunt's house, and well, our day's already been quite an adventure, simply because of this. Sorry. Bye. So, all right, love you, bye. Jesus Christ, this thing is so loud. Did I fit? Yeah, I fit. Okay. Yeah, you fit. Yeah, we fit. So, we're on our way to Pahokee with a couch in the backseat for my grandma. And then from there, we got to pick up a couch and take it to my place. Then from there, I have to go do a quick window install on a RAV4. And then from there, we got to get to my MIA airport before 2 o'clock. Because at that time, there's going to be, what, an A380 landing? An A380, a 747, and an A340 around that time? Am I mistaken? So here's to trying to get everything done before 2 o'clock. Here with the boy Esteban. Dropped off the couch and I picked up my couches. Heading home now. I'm so low-key kind of deaf in my left ear because this truck is so stinking loud. It's ridiculous. Honestly, the camera doesn't do... Jesus. The camera doesn't do it justice how loud this truck really is. But let me just tell you this. It hurts when you go on the bridges. And at times, it'll have like a two-step, like, I don't know what's going on with the truck, but it low-key two-steps sometimes. And when it does... It's loud. So, actually, also, I forgot to mention, I got the C63 running, and for the first time yesterday, I actually drove the car, and I was able to get around places without actually being stuck on the road. I didn't vlog anything, but because I was kind of just doing a bit of a test run, which I should have vlogged, and again, I'm not used to vlogging everything, which I'm trying to get into the, how can I put it? Rhythm. I'm trying to get in the rhythm, thank you, of vlogging everything. So it's a new thing to me. So hopefully I get some great content today, because today is going to be one heck of a day, because it is currently, right now, 12:20. I have to be back in Miami by 2:30, which is exactly 2 hours from now. I have to drop this off. I have to go to Delray, do a quick little job, which can take another 15-20 minutes, and then I have to heat myself over to Doral, right? Doral or Hialeah? Doral. To drop this truck off, and then to go pick up his car at the dealership. It'll be fun. So today's gonna be a great day. I think we just might Uber over to the car though, to be honest. So, kind of had a bit of a situation. Oh shoot. I think the bed opened up a little bit. Yeah. Let's just stuff it inside. You wanna stuff it in there? Okay, yeah, then we just stuff it in the back. Perfect. Like Tetris. Oh, perfect. You're right. Like Tetris. Yeah. Like I said, this truck is loud for no reason. I am deaf in my left ear. It is official. I cannot hear out of this ear. Yeah! Ow. I'm trying to fix it. You trying to balance it out? Yeah. Oh yeah. Instead of being 50% deaf, let's go 100% deaf. Yeah, right. That's smart. edgy, bro.
Exactly what I mean.
Wait a second. Hold on a second. Can someone explain to me what's going on here? This man got a skinny rear tire and a fat front tire. That don't make no type of sense. That makes absolutely no type of sense. But you know what? Hey,
you got a free 99. It's free 99.
you're not wrong. If it's free 99, then hey, free 99 it. Currently doing under the speed limit. But like
everything, voy a hacer it.
Alright, well I'm gonna casually pass this guy.
Casual.
So, we switching sides.
Safe driver.
Damn! Relax, my nigga. Damn! Like, safe driver. Fools on sends it. Okay. Okay.
You said have fun.
I mean, you're not wrong. Damn. He won't. Driving in Florida is boring.
Make sure my whip's running.
We have a turn.
Sipping on this tangerine.
Yeah, because driving in Florida is totally not boring, right, Esteban?
Well, it's boring when you don't have a V8 or a stick shift. Facts.
That is a fact. Here at the shop, getting some stuff done to the truck, and well, as you can see, damn. We gonna have some fun with this. We gonna have some fun.
Not too much.
Not too much, but just enough. And also fog lights.
Ooh,
Beautiful.
they look like the same as mine.
Oh yeah, the LEDs.
They're the same as mine.
Similar.
Very similar.
That is going on there. So So, meantime, while my truck's getting worked on and his car's getting worked on, and we're Carlos. Shout out to Carlos for dropping us off.
Or less, but Carlos dropped
Us off. Yeah, it's just funny how that worked out. It was funny. We were literally talking about that over at the shop. But we're gonna sit here, go plane spotting. I don't know, record a few planes if something interesting comes in. Which I think there may be 1 or 2 planes coming in. And then also, fun little fact that probably most of y'all don't even know about. They discontinued 747s recently. So there are no longer going to be any more 747s being made.
They're still
I mean, they're still in the air
like
for now.
a bunch of years still.
But there's not another one being made. So, in the meantime, I'm just gonna. Wow, that was a big step down.
Yeah.
Meantime, I'm just gonna go ahead and just start recording here. So, give you guys a little bit of a montage of what's coming in.